Ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited to offer you a totally new experience designed for aspiring trainers. Trainers who are already training perhaps as a profession, as a part of your job, as a professional trainer. But this workshop would help you take a quantum leap into the next level. The Inspiring Trainer Workshop is a departure from the traditional TOT, Training of Trainers workshops we keep hearing all the time. Because this workshop has elements which takes us beyond the usual. On one hand, we will learn in this 3-day experience of the psychology of learning, the adult learning psychology. How do adults learn? We will learn about the uniqueness of learning patterns based on Harvard Gardner's multiple intelligences. Would you like to learn by seeing things, or is it hearing, feeling? Is it through interpersonal activity? Is it through introspection? Do you prefer to learn musically or physically, mathematically, verbally? We will learn a lot of the psychology of learning and training using sciences of neuro-linguistic programming, transactional analysis, counseling skills, action research, a fusion of life sciences, which helps us to really focus on understanding audiences, building rapport with the audiences, connecting with the audiences, handling difficult audiences, with the intention of helping your audience, your participants, your trainees to be the best they can be. Once we learn the essential psychology and techniques of learning, we will take you through a process of designing your own unique workshop. A workshop which is close to your heart based on the expertise and the experience you have gained over a period of time. Will help you to identify your special gift, your purpose, so that you can offer it to the world. And will help you design a workshop which will do just that. And not only design the workshop, we'll also help you with the marketing of that workshop, how to design the promotional material, how to take it out to the world. And that will then move on to day 3 of this special workshop, where you will get to present a little portion of your workshop to the rest of the audience and myself. And we will watch you, observe you with a loving intention of helping you to grow and give you supportive feedback so that you can further fine-tune not only your workshop but your way of presenting. And in this process you will also receive a video of your presentation and the feedback you received so that you can go and analyze it and continue to improve on it. And we will continue this process by having you in learning communities and providing follow-up coaching sessions to help you to really embody the content as well as the learnings and the way of doing it. And this whole Inspiring Trainer process is just not a 3-day workshop. There's some pre-work. The 3-day workshop, the post-work will develop you and shape you to be the best version of yourself so that you can go out into the world with your own unique right, with your own original presentation, not a copy of anyone else. So we're really excited about presenting this to you, and I'm looking forward to welcoming you at the Inspiring Trainer development process. I'm Ranjan De Silva, your team leadership catalyst and CEO success coach. I look forward to seeing you very soon. Thank you.